Hi there, welcome everyone. This is the demo for CM data subscriptions to create use case. And we will be handling here, we'll be seeing here pending response, accepted, and rejected. So let's dive in. So this is the components overview, just a quick high level view of for the subscriptions. So we have NCMP that handles the subscription request sent by the client, which is here is DMI. DME sends create or delete request. In this case, we're going to be seeing the create request through the CPS and CMP and depending, and you'll see here later, depending on the request and depending the details of the request, it can either go straight to DMI and wait for accepted and rejected response and then forward that to DME and handle it with the database or just handle it with the database, depending on that. Yeah, so just a quick high level overview, and we'll see and understand that further in the later slides. So these are the scenarios that we're going to be handling. First, we're going to be handling the create request, the first CM data subscription create request with pending, wherein the DMI is not responded yet with either accepted or requested. So configured is that 30 seconds, the NCMP will respond to the client of a pending request. Then we have the subscription create with accepted. So that means the DMI has accepted the request and will then be handled by NCMP afterwards. We'll see what happens then with the DMI accepting that. We'll then go with the same subscription create for an ongoing subscription, which means that the details are shared with other subscriptions that are already tracked by CPS and CP. And then we're going to see rejected by DMI and rejected due to duplicate subscription ID. All right. So then we go bin. So we'll go on before the demo. Actually, the CM handles have been registered and NCMP has enlarged for data stores. So you see here that we already have CM handle 0 and CM handle 1 that was registered before the demo. So we have 200, so forth. And then these are the SPATs that have been initialized with the CPS and CMP startup. So you could see this, the first 5 for 2 days to stores pass through operational and pass through running. This will be the parent expats of the subscriptions that we will see later. So first of all, we had a subscription create with pending. I actually have the DMI running already. So actually I will be pausing that to mimic the 30-second response by DMI or subscription, the configured 30-second of no response from DMI. So this is the subscription topic that we would be using. So this is where the client will be sending the request or producing the message to. We go and create this request. So this is the create request. We have subscription create request as the type, sourced, and then the details, so the headers, and the value it had is this one. So it's subscription 1, and then CM handle 0. So we've seen that we already registered, and these are the expat filters XO1 and Y1. Okay. And since this is the first subscription, we expect that this will forward this to a topic that is listened to by DMI. Just produce that. So, yep, now we have this message. Produce CM handle 0. So on 01 subscription 01. And as I said, this is a topic that DMI listens to and CMP DMI. That means that we have contacted DMI for that to handle this request and CM1 and it directs it to the right DMI. Okay. And we'll be waiting for a response that we should be getting soon. And you can see that DMI hasn't responded. There's no messages. This is the topic that we are listening to for the response from DMI. Now we have the subscription response. Is that? So we see that we sent this at 11:38:08, and after 30 seconds, then we have the subscription response. And as you see that we have pending targets, same handle 0, and headers and CM header, CM subscription 01. Okay, so that pending, we're just gonna lay this down. Okay, so for our next one is with accepted. Now let's see that we actually have contacted DMI and then DMI responds with message of accepted. And because that went up already, so DMI was listening to that. So then we get the response as we expect of accepted. And as we should see that we should have this in our database. So if we go to the database, we should be tracking dot ready. Okay, you can see here the last ones of CM handle 0, 01, XO2, YO2. Okay, so that would be with the accepted response. So CM handle subscription response, scanned value is accepted. Now we go back to our scenario. Now our next scenario would then be sim the subscription create for an ongoing subscription with accepted. Now, first of all, then we are creating a new subscription for ongoing subscription details. So let's create a new subscription with CM subscription 2. And that CM subscription 2 would have the same details as CM subscription 1. So it has the target filter is CM handle 0, and the data store is the same, and the expat filters for that is the same. So exact same predicates. C. But just a different subscription. Okay, so then we'll send and produce that message, and we are hoping to get it with accepted. So the DMI will automatically hear a response with accepted, but that's if we are contacting DMI. We'll see that, produce message. Okay, now we have subscription messages, subscription 2, and there is no response from, there is no forwarded message on the topic that DMI listens to, which is NCMP DMI. That means NCMP did not contact DMI. And now we have a subscription response for subscription 2, which is accepted for CM subscription 2. As you can see, we didn't contact. There is no response from DMI regarding CM. This was CM subscription 1, but we don't have a response from we didn't communicate with the DMI regarding CM subscription 2 because these are already tracked subscription details. But on our database, we should see as expected here. So it. Now you have 2 subscription for that details and no add anything else. Okay. Now we'll then cover CM subscription create with rejected. So common scenario here would be the subscription. We're gonna create a subscription of same details. So we have CM subscription 1, but maybe we're gonna call it CM subscription 1, but let's say CM handle 1, and then we're gonna just change the expat filters. So we don't actually have the same details, but it's only the same subscription ID as earlier. We're gonna produce this message, subscription 1, and then now we have these details of CM subscription 1, we had CM subscription 2, and then now we have again CM subscription 1. You can see here that we did not contact DMI. Of course, DMI would have not responded. And we have 3 subscription messages. And now we have a response from DMI. And this response, as we expect, would be rejected target CM handle 1, as we see, and so CM subscription 0, so 1. So this is CM subscription create response. Okay. And that was rejected because of the duplicate value. And now there is no change. There should be no change in the database, and CM subscription 1 should have not changed details or added anything. There you go. We have CM subscription 1. And that was it. That was a quick overview of CM subscriptions create use case for pending, accepted, and rejected.